morning. Of course, it's bright and early, so I'm only up for one reason. A lot of pretty dope cars and coffee going on today. Seems like a bunch of people are going. Got a red Bentley on red wheels. YG400. Got a red hat too, for sure blooded. Hopefully the footage is looking good. I'm using some different settings. It might be a little dark. As the day gets lighter, it should get better. I'm telling you, man, that gas station music is trash, bro.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, using my other cam, but I only have one battery because I don't know where my other batteries are, so I'm trying not to use this too much. Alright guys, let's go. Sheesh. I love that red tack. I need me a GT3 in my life, but they're overpriced now. And of course, the day I bring the Z, they decide they want to take the canyons. Like, come on, man. This shit hella rubs, bruh. 285s up front. This is a go straight car only.
Close if you want me to, if you want me to, if you want me to. Maybe can we never closer, never closer, I want you.
Yes, sir. Alright guys, let's try to film some of these cars. I just stood in a super long ass line to get some coffee. Alright. Damn, that's different right there. HREs on the GT. Looks pretty sick. Got the snooze vert. Damn. Mercy boys. This is clean F80. Look at the seats. Are these GT3 seats? What the fuck? My man's really put GT3 seats in the F80. BBSs are so nice. G80. Slowly but surely these things are looking better, man, because they're coming out with more options for the kidneys. I seen one that was a complete like different bumper with like smaller kidneys. It actually looked really, really good. So maybe G80 in the future. M340. Protopun. The red guts. Damn. This one's clean. Huh. A lot of cars. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get all of them, but try to get most. It ain't clean. Boy, got something back there. Got R888s in that thing. That's just loud. A ET3. I need one, bro. I need a Nismo GTR. I need a GT3 RS. I just need so much shit that I can't have right now. Gotta keep working, right? It's pretty sick. The red guts. A lot of G80s popping out. Oh shit. Oh, whoa there. Make sure I go out this way. Oh, he's going for somebody. Oh. The G80? That's the worst feeling, bro, when the cop is right behind you. Literally. The homie Val. Sick ass SV. Very nice, very nice. Oh, fuck, man. DK. Damn, the old school M5. Clean. Very nice. Clean. F80. It's nice Evo. Benz boys. You don't see too many aired out Benzes. America. Damn, race car boys. The Advent GT's on there. Cage. I see you. RIP my boy Alex. Hey, it's my old vet. What's up, Dad? How you been? Still looking good? Okay. Paint correction still looking nice? Damn. This is literally my old vet. That shit was a crazy story about this car. So I built it in like, what, a couple months. Full bolt on, head, cam, everything. I raced the fastest NA in SoCal, beat him, then I sold the car. Sad day for that guy. And he wanted to race me so bad, bro. Like, he was just crying about it. He waited for me on the side of the freeway. That's how bad it was. Got gapped. Well, guys, it is coming to an end here. I don't know what's going on after. Damn, is that a Lotus? Clean, dude. Sheesh. And which one is he? Got Josh Laurent over there in the cut. Pretty cool turnout.
Later.
Alright guys, just ate sick ass food. The homie just pulled up with his pretty much full bolt on G82. I think it makes like mid 700s. It's pretty quick, so probably get a run in, see what happens. Should be good, should be close. Shut the fuck. We need more space. Man, we need more space, bro. That was the power of toning. Well, guys, that was the day. Hope you enjoyed it. Ooh, it smells like straight corn in here. I love it. Z's doing well. She's reliable right now, simply because it's Nardo. I told you guys, once I go back Nardo, problems are gone. It was the blue, man, I'm telling you. But yeah, man, Z did well. She made it there, made it back. That's all that matters to me. Homie Jay, I believe he's tuned by the same person that my M340's tuned. He does all his work over at PQ. New S58s, man, they're putting in work. Obviously, if I can get more boost out of it, I would, but right now, I'm still trying to figure out the issue why it drops so much boost. I'm losing like maybe 5-6 pounds up top. If I can fix that, we would definitely be making another like 40-50 wheel up top, but I'm losing that power, so I don't know. I'm not really like stressed over it. Like the shit's still pulling, so I'm not really tripping on it. S15, I know you guys want to see this thing running. Trust me, man, trust me. I wish that it was driving, even though this is going to be slower than the Z. This motor is stock block. It's going to be making probably like low 500s. But keep in mind that this car is about 500 pounds lighter than the Z. So 550 on this chassis would be like probably maybe 650 like on this car. So it's gonna be quick for, you know, what it is, but I'm trying to keep the stance look. I got cheap ass like Chinese tires. I already know this shit's probably gonna spin like crazy first through fourth, but I'm not building it to race people. Like, it's more for show and just sound and have a little fun in it. Like I said, I'm talking to a guy right now. He's supposed to be flying out here soon, and we're gonna wire all this stuff up. I believe we are gonna be doing the solid state PDM on this. It is pricey, but it's fuseless. You don't have to use any fuses, which is really, really cool. So that's just gonna be for like all the switches, you know, like I said, windows, headlights, fans, etc., blinkers, whatever else I decide to put on there. None of that stuff is gonna need fuses, so it's gonna make his job a lot easier, and it should be pretty straightforward. Hopefully soon my guy can come out here and we can get started on this. And like I said, once the main wiring is done, then we can really push forward and get like the other stuff done. It should be a breeze after that. She's back to Nardo. I'm happy. Can you believe someone actually hit me up to buy my bike? Like, bro, I'm not gonna sell you my bike. It just needs a tube. It's just flat, that's why I can't ride it. And this thing, I already updated you guys on this. Douchebag didn't want to pay up. He stopped replying to me, so yeah, I just went through my insurance, filed it. They're gonna try to sue him for the amount. Whatever, out of my hands. But yeah, I definitely want to take this car out soon. I've been itching to drift. So hopefully soon we can go out for my second track day. So he's running good. She's not running 100, but she's running good. Knock on carbon fiber. It's all good to be. I'm not gonna complain, man. She's boosted and she gets me to point A to point B fast. So it's all good. Main focus S15, that's my New Year's resolution. I really want that car to run before the new year. Stay tuned, guys. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next video.